Moving on, we have adverbs. Adverbs are incredibly useful in providing more information about a verb or modifying it. They can answer questions such as how, when, where, why, and to what extent. One important thing to note about adverbs is that they can be placed in different positions in a sentence depending on the information they are providing. They can come before or after the verb they are modifying, or at the beginning or end of a sentence. It is important to choose the correct position for an adverb to ensure the sentence makes sense. Adverbs can also be formed by adding "ly" to an adjective. For example, quick becomes quickly, and happy becomes happily. However, not all adverbs end in "ly", and some adjectives can also be used as adverbs without any changes. For example, he drove a fast car, and he drove fast are both correct. Comparative adverbs are used to compare the intensity of an action or the degree to which an adjective or adverb is being modified. They are formed by adding "er" to the end of the adverb or by using "more" before the adverb. For example, she speaks louder than him, or she speaks more loudly than him. Superlative adverbs are used to compare three or more things, and they are formed by adding "est" to the end of the adverb or by using "most" before the adverb. For example, she speaks the loudest, or she speaks the most loudly. It is important to use adverbs appropriately and not overuse them in writing or speech. Using too many adverbs can make a sentence sound awkward or cluttered. Instead, choose adverbs carefully and use them only when necessary to provide more information or clarify meaning. Adverbs can also be used to indicate time, frequency, or duration. For example, he always wakes up early, or she studied for hours. They can also be used to show the speaker's attitude or opinion, such as, "Unfortunately, the concert was canceled," or, "Frankly, I don't care." Adverbs can also be used to modify other adverbs, indicating the degree or intensity of the adverb. For example, she sang very loudly, or he ran extremely quickly. Overall, adverbs are a versatile and useful part of speech that can add depth and meaning to a sentence. When used correctly and judiciously, they can greatly enhance one's writing or speaking.